Hi, my name is Luke, and this is how to make a PC go to airplane mode. Airplane mode is a feature that exists on most cell phones for when you're going to go on an airplane. It turns off any cell signal, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth connected to the phone. Laptops and computers don't have an airplane mode. However, if you'd like to mimic the effects of airplane mode, what you can do is turn off and disable the wireless and the Bluetooth on your laptop. You can do this by going to the Network Solutions Center. Right-click on the Network dialog icon in the bottom right, go to Open Network and Sharing Center, and then click Change Adapter Settings in the left. Now where you see Bluetooth connections and wireless connections, right-click on each of them and hit Disable individually. This will disable them and it will mimic the effects of airplane mode. And that's it.